60 hours in, we are all sitting on the edge of our seats. This is serious stuff. It's 5 people, 5 livelihoods, 5 families waiting anxiously. It's very serious. You know, mud rushes, as we see them, are not merely disasters, natural disasters. They're actually engineering shortcomings in the mining industry. And for that reason, we remain very skeptical, even though we cannot presuppose what the inquiries will find.
So it was described to us at the time as a landslide, as a mudfall. You're saying that's not just entirely a naturally occurring incident?
Not at all. When you have water ingress underground, your job as an engineer, as a mining engineer, is to constantly pump water. So it's really a factor and a function of the amount of water you can pump, the technology you invest in, the knowledge and expertise of the miners and mine overseers that plan the operations. And that's why an accident underground is never merely an accident.